Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Eternights game for free in Epic Games Launcher. So here follow these steps. Open Epic Games Launcher, then in search for Eternights and then click on this base game. Now here you will see this get option. It is absolutely free and sales end on 12/20/2025. So the sales will end on 20th December. So click on this get option. Please wait, your order is loading. And then click on place order. Just wait. Now you will see view in library option. So click on view in library and here you will see the Eternights game has been added to your library. Then click on install option and then again click on install. Click yes to allow. You can see Eternights game is getting installed on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon, which is a download icon, and here you can see Eternights game is getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can easily install Eternights game on PC via the Epic Games Launcher for free until 20th December 2025. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.